I'm Don Schwab, General Manager of Splash Products, Division of Factory Motor Parts. I'm the General Manager here. I'm responsible for pretty much everything in this building. So, we're a filler and producer of windshield washer fluid primarily. We also do RV antifreeze. We do pressure wash fluids. We do bleach. We do gas line antifreeze, car wash soap kind of stuff. That's basically the business that we do here. Actually, a guy who used to work here came to me one day and he said, you know, we have a compactor out there and we never fill it. Dan Clark at the time decided to go out and see what he could do about it, came up with Biz Recycling. Kendrick was actually a big driving force with Dan and mostly working with Dan, but they came up with a plan that worked for us. And so we weren't trying to reinvent the wheel. There was nothing painful about the process. Everything was, he just made it smooth and very little effort on our part to get into this, so that was huge for us. The two things, one was the cost savings that we got out of the trash in doing this. The other was the grant that we got to be able to build a housing out there for our trash that replaced what we had currently had out there. So those were two main driving factors for us. I would definitely recommend Biz Recycling to anybody out there who's looking to reduce their cost or maybe do a better job at recycling and putting less stuff in our landfills. Biz Recycling was huge for us, so we appreciated the help that we got from them in implementing this and getting it going. It was huge for us.